We have the ability to buy almost anything on Earth with a quick tap of glass. The process of acquiring things has never been smoother, but the process of building wealth has rarely been more difficult. Services that let you buy now and pay later remove the traditional barriers to shopping. No credit card to pull out, no lengthy application process, and no immediate bank deduction. Yet nearly 80% of American workers are living paycheck to paycheck, even with full-time jobs. So why do perfectly rational people keep clicking checkout when they know money is tight? It comes down to how your brain interprets the exact phrase, $0 due today. That $0 button changes the nature of the transaction. It replaces a single, visible price with a sequence of future commitments that are difficult for our brains to track in real time. Behavioral economists study a concept called the pain of paying. Human beings evolve to feel psychological friction when we part with our resources. That brief moment of hesitation is a biological defense mechanism against depleting your reserves. This illustrates the flaw in our hardware. Buy now, pay later applications route around the pain center, triggering your dopamine response without the corresponding feeling of loss. When your brain registers a cost of $0, natural defensive alarms stay completely silent. Without that biological friction, there is no hesitation. Buying expensive items feels the same as getting them for free. These platforms act as a psychological bypass, neutralizing the instincts that usually protect your savings. That mental bypass works perfectly in the checkout line, but the mathematical reality always catches up a few weeks later. The pitch relies on isolation. $20 for new sneakers, $15 a month for a jacket. Separately, these microdebts look small enough to ignore. Looking at this timeline, you see how separate payments stack. Adding dozens of disconnected liabilities together frequently surpasses what you earn in a month. This creates a temporal shift, committing to labor you haven't performed yet for items you've already used. Then, the first of the month arrives. Those individual payments all mature at once, leaving your bank account empty, before you've even had a chance to cover your basic expenses. Mathematically, your upcoming paycheck is already gone, handed over to a corporation before you've even started your work week. This creates a cycle on payday. The moment your direct deposit hits, it is immediately redirected to cover the stacked liabilities from last month. You are left working 40 hours a week just to fund purchases you made weeks ago, rather than building for the future. Breaking this cycle requires a shift in how you evaluate a price tag. The average consumer asks, "Can I afford this monthly payment?" Compare that to how you build actual wealth. On the right, affordability equals total cost plus opportunity cost. Factoring opportunity cost means recognizing every dollar tied up in a short-term liability cannot be invested into something that grows in value. So the next time you see $0 today at checkout, remember, money is never free. You are either choosing to pay today with cash, or you are choosing to pay tomorrow with the stress of a paycheck that's already spent.